I realized the plan will always change. The more knowledge you gain, the more you will implement it to the plan and you will update the plan, because why would you use the same plan if you have new knowledge for the plan to be better, to get earlier to the goal? I learned this from Alex Hormozy, listening to one of his podcasts, and he was just saying like, yo, the plan will always change. And this is what I realized while making content. Like, I can make quantity videos, like a whole lot of videos, but if they're not good, will I grow? Will I improve? Maybe a little, but not to the extent that I want. I want to make quality videos, videos that I will be proud to share. And I don't share any of my videos because I frankly didn't even think they're that good. So, of course, they're not gonna go into the algorithm. But I want to make a switch because I made a promise to myself, one video every day for the 75 hard plus. I'm gonna change that to a quality video once every couple of days because I wanna give the truth to y'all. I don't want to give no bullshit, you feel me? Because right now it's not bullshit, but it's not that good shit, you feel me? It's not bullshit, but it's not that good shit. And I want to provide y'all with that good shit, that shit that actually helps. I also want to take a little change in directions in the sense of the way that I portray the message in my videos. Like, I've learned so much in these past couple of days from listening to content creation podcasts and stuff like that. I don't know why I didn't do that sooner, but that's like a tip for y'all. If y'all have a field that you really want to level up in and improve on, listen to podcasts of said person in the field, because they will give you games worth thousands of dollars, thousands of mistakes for free ski. For the free ski. Why are you not doing it? Literally, why are you not doing it? So this is just for me. Like, yo, I might not upload every day. Don't think I quit, or some shit like that. I will still be here. Trust me. I just want to take time making a good video for y'all to enjoy, for y'all to share with y'all people. Like, yo, this video actually helped me. I want to make those types of videos. So, short little video. I know I'm saying this is not a quality video. This is a short little update slash thing that I realized. It's still something that you might be able to like use. The plan will change. You can't do the same shit always. Sometimes there's something better to do instead of one other thing. So if you enjoy the videos, drop a like, type shit, pass it to King. You decide if you're gonna win. That's it, man. You want to see a quality upload the next time you see me make a video. Peace.